Hey guys, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, it's May the 2nd. I am in Willie's room and we are going to do his entire bookcase. The chair I'm sitting on, it's gotta go. He and I discussed what he wanted to keep or not, and you know, there's nothing wrong with helping your child, regardless of his age. I have to say that. Reorganizing and cleaning, that's how you teach them how to do it. There's a lot of parents out there who are just like, hey, let them do it. How are they gonna learn what to pick and what to keep, what to donate, what to discard, what to, you know, throw away if you don't teach them? Okay, because if you don't, you end up in a situation like this one where they just want to keep everything, and this one has a tendency to want to keep everything. So we're gonna do a lot of books today, and then they're gonna go on the Facebook Marketplace for free. I'm sure there's somebody in town who wants those books, and that would be it. After that, I have to garden. I'm not gonna film. I'll show you here and there, probably post pictures of what I'm doing, but I have to, you know, do the whole front yard mulching and all of that. It's not that interesting, but I did get rose bushes that were sent to us for our wedding anniversary. That's coming up tomorrow, and I have to plant the rose bushes before they die on me, so I have to figure out where I'm going to put them. But anyway, other than that, we're doing pretty good. You know, New Jersey is still going up in numbers. The town is not doing good. We got over 100 cases and 11 deaths, but we're adapting, I guess, and everybody is. They're reopening the parks and the golf course this weekend, so we'll see how that goes, because, you know, knuckleheads, I'm sure somebody's gonna figure out to mess this up and they're gonna reclose everything. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna show you what the bookcase looks like before, and then we'll get decluttering. So here's Willie's bookcase. It's got a lot of books in there that passed me down from his brother, and a lot of them are still kids' books. And then the chair here is going as well. So we're just gonna start with this one right here. And Willie's on his bed, and he's just gonna tell me what we're keeping and what can go. Okay, let's start. Will, okay. I'm assuming this guy stays?
Yes.
Okay.
Centerpiece of the room.
Gravity Falls.
Yes, keep that.
Okay, all of these books.
Yeah, you can donate them.
Donate them?
Yeah.
Okay. So the donate ones go in plastic bags. Like this. Alright. This one.
Get rid of it.
Okay. So we're gonna keep, and then I have to dust everything, alright, Wally?
Okay.
Alright, so this is a keep. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, these Predator Gold and Devices, Infernal Machines.
I started reading the series.
And?
I haven't.
Do you want to keep them?
Yeah, keep them.
Okay. All of the Bionicle series.
I think those are originally Edward's, so I guess.
Okay. But what do you want to do with them?
Get rid of them.
Alright. So Bionicle can go. We have the whole A to Z series.
You
Mysteries.
Get rid of them.
Get rid of them. Regular show, scribble and sketch?
No. I didn't listen to that.
Abe Lincoln's Dream. Pumpkin soup, turkey trouble.
No.
These are French we keep. Alexander, we keep that because these were like your favorite when you were kids. Batman.
I don't know.
Batman Beyond.
Definitely Batman. Give it to him.
Plants vs. Zombies.
Get rid of.
Mr. Dirty, we're gonna keep. I Stick, we're keeping. These are your favorite books.
They were my favorite when I was 7.
Karate.
No. I never touched that.
Reluctant Dragon.
Get rid of.
Chickens Aren't the Only One.
Get rid of.
Farm.
Get rid of.
Elf on the Shelf.
Get rid of.
Sanji and the Baker. Jimmy Boa. G's for Gong. Origami.
Get rid of.
Some of the books we're keeping because of the Three Ninjas. Some of them it's the A Fleece Story.
Get rid of.
Berenstain, Play T-Bone.
Get rid of.
The Stinky Cheese Man.
Get rid of.
No, but we're gonna keep that because some of them are your dad's.
Yes. I
All
haven't
right.
cleaned up.
So far we've only done this one, and that one, and this is what we're keeping. And we got all of those books here for donate. I just can't believe it. I'm gonna dust as I go, alright? Because boy doesn't need it, and Willie is getting the pledge. The Legos of course don't go anywhere. The two of them, they have a thing about Legos. Okay. So here's one. Making sure I don't break that. I am keeping some picture books because they are excellent references for Scott for designs. They are very, very beautifully illustrated, so those we're keeping. Willie doesn't care much about them, but I know that Scott will reference them. One of you sent me this, we still have it. And then there's some books that were favorites, you know, like the absolute favorites when they were kids. Keeping those as well.
Keeping what?
The Stinky books and the Vroom Chugga Vroom Vroom.
I don't even remember that.
I know you don't, but these were your favorite. Oh, you got the stuff?
Yeah, this is...
Thanks.
And
And then we got some of my child books, childhood books we're going to keep. Okay, so here's another example of beautifully illustrated book, Abe Lincoln's Dream.
I got the...
You got the pledge.
The closest thing I could find was Behold.
What is that?
That's D&D.
You keeping that?
Yes. It's D&D.
Okay.
I did not like that book. I don't know, ma'am.
Did you have to read it?
Yes.
Are you keeping it?
No.
You finished it?
Yes.
Did you like it?
It was okay.
I'm assuming sketchbooks you're keeping?
Yeah.
You can still use that.
Thanks.
Chewy Louie.
Oh yeah, keep that. That's a classic.
You want? Oh, this one you want to keep?
Yeah, it's classic.
Pokemon.
Keep it.
Okay, so this is Pokemon stuff here, right? Okay. Splatoon.
Yes, keep. No. No.
Uno.
Uno, yes. It's Uno.
Tokyo Ghoul.
Yes.
Okay, Pokemon. More Tintin. Alright, these are all the Calvin and Hobbes. Did you ever read Calvin and Hobbes?
No.
They are hilarious. You need to read Calvin and Hobbes. Seriously. Okay. Let's make room for Calvin and Hobbes. There was one up there. Remember?
I don't know where it was. That's not a good sign.
Your dad and I have had those for years. Years. I believe your brother has one somewhere in his home.
Probably.
What? Oh, here we go. These are just packed. Okay. So these are all the Calvin and Hobbes. This one doesn't. Okay. All the space book and spy stuff. Planets.
Those are Edwards.
He doesn't care about them.
Yeah.
They landed in your room, so trust me.
I don't care about them either.
Okay. Alright, so we said we're going to keep those because they are...
Classics.
Oh, yeah. Alright, all the space stuff is gone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Willie, we're going to run out of bags. These are excellent. 750 years in Paris. All illustrated.
Yeah, keep it.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Covered in dust.
Oh, and look. That's Talleyrand.
Who?
I believe your my sister gave me this. I got a frame in somewhere. Okay.
Who is he though?
So, Willie, we got to start packing those books because I'm out of room here. Okay? So let's start packing those and then we'll be right back. Right, so I'm going to assume that you want to keep Fury.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Star Wars.
Yes.
Willie and Sharon Battle of the Beach. On the beach.
I think we got that when we were in Ohio.
Yeah, alright. So what you going to do with that?
I guess keep.
No, but this is not I guess. Do you want to keep it or not?
I don't know. I never read it.
Do you think you might read it?
Probably not.
Probably not. So then what?
I guess get rid of it.
Get rid of it. Okay. But Star Wars is keep.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So, Zelda.
Yes.
Keep.
Yes. Nothing wrong with Legend of Zelda.
We'll solve it.
No.
Alright. Captain Underpants.
Classic, but I'm not gonna read it again because the entire series is over and I read the entire series, so no.
You don't want to keep them, but you know what? Your brother might want to keep them.
Why?
I don't know. Go ask him real quick. He said no, not really.
Yes.
This is where I'm having a trouble because these were their favorites when they were kids. All right, fine. We'll let them go. Yeah.
All right.
Amazing. How cool is this? Willie, when did you build this one?
A couple of years ago.
Couple of years ago. This is, what's the name of it?
I don't know.
Okay, but that's from Return of the Jedi, right?
Yes.
Okay. Look, this is really cool. All right. Well, at least it's dust free somewhat. So we're gonna keep it open?
Yeah.
All right. $12 bags. That's what we got. We got 12 bags of books. They're going on the Facebook Marketplace for free. All people have to do is stop by, grab a bag. Hopefully they're not going to leave a mess. I'm pretty sure somebody's going to come in and grab all 12, and that's fine. It will make somebody happy. Right now we're at this stage, but here's the bookcase so far. It's all been dusted and cleaned out. We didn't do the top yet, and I still have to get the chair out of the way. So let's put all of those on the porch, Willie, and then we'll finish up the room, okay?
Okay.
So we're done, and all we have to do is clean the floor now. But this is what the bookcase looks like afterwards, and Willie did a great job. He's only picking the books that he wants. And then I'm keeping the books that were the favorites. That's this little shelf right here. And the chair is gone, so we have a big corner here with nothing. And we're going to keep it that way. He has all of his figurines and Legos here on the top. I think it looks better. It's more streamlined, and it's only the stuff that he wants. And I would say it only took maybe 2 hours, Willie? One hour. That's it?
1.5.
1.5 hours. The stuff is already bagged. It's on the front porch. It's posted on the Facebook Marketplace. You're doing a good deed by giving away your book. That's very nice of you.
Isn't that technically doxing ourselves by putting it on the front steps?
Well, we'll see what happens. I got to do gardening, so I'll be in the front of the house. And that's about it for me. So I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!